14 stone towers, 72 once stood. One medieval town turned a wealthy competition into a skyline that still stops travelers cold today. This is San Gimignano, and these are the 5 things that make it unmissable. Let's dive in. Number 5. Historic Center. Nicknamed Medieval Manhattan, San Gimignano's hilltop skyline tells a story of rivalry. Centuries ago, wealthy families competed to build the tallest towers, a symbol of power and prestige. 72 towers once dominated this landscape. 14 remain standing today. A climb up Torre Grossa rewards visitors with sweeping views across the Tuscan countryside, endless rows of vineyards stretching toward the horizon. Pair a glass of local Vernaccia white wine with a scoop of award-winning gelato near Piazza della Cisterna for the full San Gimignano experience. Walking these cobblestone streets feels like stepping directly into the heart of historic Italy. Number 4. Piazza della Cisterna. At the center of town sits Piazza della Cisterna, a triangular square named for the 13th century stone well still standing at its heart. Medieval palaces and towering structures surround the piazza, casting long shadows over brick pavement that has witnessed centuries of markets, festivals, and daily Tuscan life. Today, the square remains the social heart of San Gimignano, a place to slow down, enjoy a pastry, sample celebrated gelato, and watch the rhythm of Italian life unfold. Number 3. Fattoria Poggio Alloro. Just beyond the town walls lies Fattoria Poggio Alloro, a family-run organic farm offering postcard views of San Gimignano's towers rising above rolling hills. Run by the Fioroni family since the 1950s, the estate produces its own wine, olive oil, and saffron. Visitors can walk through the vineyards, watch Cennina cattle gaze in open postures, or join a hands-on cooking class. Save room for lunch. The outdoor terrace serves handmade pasta and Florentine steak paired with the farmer's own Vernaccia wine. It's a genuine taste of rural Tuscan hospitality, far from the crowds. Number 2. Museo della Tortura. For something entirely different, the Museo della Tortura offers a chilling look into Europe's darker history. Housed in a somber stone building, the museum displays authentic instruments of punishment and interrogation dating from the 16th to 18th centuries, including the notorious Iron Maiden, spiked chairs, and stretching racks. Detailed multilingual explanations explore the psychology behind these devices, transforming the museum into a powerful reminder of how far human rights have come. Number 1. Collegiata di Santa Maria Assunta. Dominating the main square, the Collegiata di Santa Maria Assunta hides one of Italy's most breathtaking secrets behind a deceptively simple stone facade. Step inside, and every surface brushes with vibrant 14th century frescoes, a medieval comic book depicting stories from the Old and New Testaments. Striking black and white striped arches support a deep blue ceiling scattered with golden stars. Don't skip the Santa Fina Chapel. Its Renaissance artwork, honoring the town's patron saint, is one of San Gimignano's most underrated treasures. 5 reasons. 1. Unforgettable hilltop town. San Gimignano proves that sometimes the smallest towns hold the biggest stories.